For this tutorial, we're going to look at lines and editing lines in Illustrator. So the tool I'm going to start with is the pencil tool. So if you can't find it, it's N on the keyboard. You can just draw with it. You can double click on the pencil tool and it'll bring up different options on how accurate and how smooth it can be. So it'll fix your line as you start to draw it. So I'll start with this little knot drawing that I've created. It's not perfect. I can scale it, I can move it around, and it's just one thickness. So what I can do is change the width of the stroke by changing stroke, and if you can't find your stroke, it's just window stroke. I can put a ball joint on the end, so a circular end to it, and it starts to look more like a brush. It's a little bit crooked, a little bit wonky, but I'm going to use this width tool to grab the path and make some bits thicker and some bits thinner. So you can work out how to make calligraphy text with this one, and you can make your line flow really nicely. But it's still a bit crooked. So I'm going to go to Object, Path, Simplify, and then you get this little slider, bring down the accuracy of your line and it will curve it a little bit. It's not perfect, but it will certainly smooth it all out a little bit. But if you use the white selection tool, the direct selector, you can select these little tools where it creates a balanced curve for you. And now I've got a line that's smooth, variable. It will keep the attributes of the thickness as you make it bigger or smaller. See what you can create with that.